Hey guys, alright, well here it is. I finally finished it, and it's ready to go. The only thing is now the wind's blowing like 100 miles an hour. But here it is. I got all my servos in, got my up and down, got my ailerons in, the wings open and close. Here's my servos. I just stuck them on top, taped them down. I didn't want to get all fancy, just want to serve the purpose. That's it, just real easy. Here's the motor. This is the, what is it? It's a 35, 30, 11. And the prop I have on it is 11 by 5.5, which I love that prop. With this motor here, it has a lot of power. A little while ago, I held it in my hand and nosed it straight up and gave it throttle, and if I was to let go, it'll keep on going. So maybe 3/4, it'll hold its own weight, and wide open, it'll start to pull out. So I like that. You know, if you get in trouble, you can just, you know, pull it up and then go, just nail it and let it go. So there it is, finished. I got the top on there, and then I put the front on here. I'll open it up so you can see inside. So here it is, my speed control, the receiver. If you see, on this one here, I didn't cut down or nothing on weight. Everything's pretty much really heavy. I got a full-size receiver, which is unnecessary, but that's all I had of that many channels to do this. When I go to do my other one, by then I'll have the 2.4 radio set up. I didn't want to go out and buy a bigger receiver just to do this, and it'd be 72. I want to go ahead and do it 2.4, so I'm going to wait and get all that together, the module and the receiver. So I got a big receiver, full-size receiver, and also, in order for me to get this receiver to work with the ailerons, because I have 4 servos, 1 per wing, I had to use 2 reversing harnesses, Y reversing harnesses, to get it to work. So what I did is I put on one of the ailerons and put a splitter on that, and the one on its auxiliary one, which would normally be like flaps, and put a splitter on that to control all 4 of them. So when I go to the bigger receiver, more channel receiver, I won't have to worry about using a big old, you know, that reversing Y harness. But it worked though. I mean, let's see, I got like a ton of wire in there, but it worked out fine. Another thing that was kind of heavy was I had to extend the wire from the speed controller to the battery, because the battery's actually all the way up front. Here it is. Alright, so there's the battery with the extension on it. It goes up inside. Just see how it goes up in there. There's really not a whole lot of stuff to it. The whole thing's pretty much hollowed out. There's nothing in it really. I do have a servo up here, if you remember. I got the hatch on the bottom that opens up. You get the servo, and then this right here for the battery, which should be the only one I'm open and close. You know, take the battery in and out. And then the back part here, which I have no reason to get into it, except I'm going to check the temperature on the speed control when I get done to see how it is, what it feels like. I want to do something a little different on the other one. I don't know, I'm thinking about mounting it maybe on the surface and having a cutout for it, or make it a few holes and channeling air to the speed control, because I don't want to get it hot or anything. The battery, I need to check to see how hot it is also when I get done. I might do something. I'm going to try to do it on the other one. I'm going to try to do everything where you can't see it, you know. I don't want to see no holes or rents in it. So anyway, here it is. It's all finished. Ready to go. And now all I got to do is fly it. Except now the wind's kicking. But the ailerons worked out pretty good. Got a lot of throw. I didn't go the full length of the wing. I don't really think it was necessary since I got all 4 of them. Here's the elevator. The only thing I'm not sure, okay, when I made the little free flight model, that flew fine. But you know, there's no control surface. The only thing about this one here, to fly up and down, I'm going to be using the canard only. So that's going to control my up and down, and then roll right, left will be on the wings, which I'm not sure how it's going to work. I would have liked to have the flap-ons, the ailerons in the back mixed with the canard, So whenever you pull up, the elevons in the back would be pointing up and the front one pointing down, mixing together. So I don't know, I've never done anything like this where I'm only going to have one in the front controlling it. It's kind of a little different. So that's the only thing I'm not too sure about it, how it's going to fly as far as that. But I guess that's it. I just got to wait for the wind to die down and I can give it a shot. Oh yeah, this thing, one more thing. It makes a really weird noise. I have the same motor and prop on my tie interceptor, and it's real quiet, but this one here's got a weird sound. I think what it is the prop swinging so close to this part here, and it's making like a weird sound. Here, I'll turn it on. You can hear it's got like a weird, it's kind of loud. Hold on. It's got like a, you know, that whine to it. It's got a weird sound. The tie doesn't make any noise at all. But that's it. Oops. That's it there. I'm probably going to use the same motor mount for the other one, I think. I don't know. I might do something different, make a bigger one. I just made this one for this model here. The other might be a little longer, so I don't know. But that's it. It's ready to go. It's ready to fly. And now all I got to do is just wait for the wind to die down, and it'll be ready to go. Hopefully it goes good. I'll post a video when I get out to the field.